In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use flight credit on American Airlines. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. First of all, this info is available on the American Airlines website at aa.com. When you go to this page and you open up the payment options and travel credit information, you will be able to find info regarding the flight credit. First of all, keep in mind that there are three different types of travel credits. They have trip credits, flight credits, and travel vouchers. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use flight credits specifically. So as you can see over here, credits are created by unused or canceled trips, and they are valid for non-award booking for flights and cannot be used for extras like seat or bags. So what you have to do is, on the American Airlines website, instead of selecting book, click manage trips. In here, select view travel credits and include your last name and the confirmation/record location or the ticket number. When you click find your trip, after including this information, you will be able to see how many flight credits you have attributed to your account. After you see how many flight credits you have, all you have to do is click rebook your trip from that page, or just go to the main menu and do a search. On the payment screen for your new flight, select pay using flight credit, and once again you will have to include the ticket number. As long as you include valid and legitimate ticket number and you have enough flight credits, you will be able to pay for your new flight with however credits you have. I hope I was able to help you on how to use flight credit on American Airlines. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.